Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am loving life freely here on YouTube. I am a full-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark. And today I'm going to show you some of the pieces that were from the 200-pound bulk box ThredUp unboxing that we did. And I pulled a bunch of inventory from my old stash that has been around for 6 months, maybe up to a year. Some of it's kind of newer stuff, but I've done some research on ThredUp on some things that they'll take. And I'm going to send some more things in, and this time I'm actually going to be doing an athletic card. I also do still have another Gap card, and I did get some things in from Gap, y'all, that I've already listed. So if you're interested in a small little video on what I actually purchased from the Gap card, from my old ThredUp box that I did, the partner kit, I've already listed that stuff and have it going. So if you're interested in what I did get and what I've listed, let me know, and I will do a short video on that. But this one right now, y'all, I'm going to show you some things. Sorry, I was using the bum. Then I'm going to be sending in. I've got quite a few pieces here. I do believe they give you like up to, I think it's like 30 pounds. If this doesn't all fit in under 30 pounds, I'll just put it in the next box. Because like I said, I have another Gap, and then I have the athletic box. So this will either completely fill it with a few pieces left over or totally fill it. And then I do plan to pull more stuff to go into the other Gap card. So I'm going to dive in here and show you, I think I have roughly maybe about 40 pieces here. And a lot of this is winter and spring summer stuff. So I did try to focus on things like that. So I'm just going to show you here. Here's an Ann Taylor Loft, a size medium sweater. A nice sweater for spring season. So that's going to go in there. I'm just going to go ahead and load it up as I show you, because this is going to be shipping out sometime this week. Okay, this is Ann Taylor size large. A lot of this stuff, these few pieces here did come from the ThredUp box, so I only paid $1.05 for these pieces. Topshop, this is another one that came in that. This is the size 14. It is a knit long maxi dress, long sleeved. So that is going to go in there. I do not sell Topshop. Well, speaking of Topshop, I've had this jacket for a very, very long time. It came in a vintage box. I do not know if they're actually going to list this, because it does have a little bit of wear. But you know what? It has had no interest whatsoever in my closet for over a year. So even if they don't list it, I'm not interested in keeping it. I paid like $4.36 for this, so this is going to go in. It is a Topshop. It's a cute jacket, and it's a great color. It's a pink, it's like a dusty rose pink color. But again, I've had no interest in it, so I'm going to give that to them. This is another Loft, size medium, Ann Taylor Loft. This is a really nice cardigan sweater. Some of these Ann Taylors are great workwear pieces. So I'm super excited to see what they do with those. The items that I sent in last time, y'all, I was very happy to move those forward. This is a Gap extra small. This is just a nice little black basic top. And this was from the ThredUp box. This is also Topshop. It's a size, let me see here, size 0 to 2. Super cute piece. But again, I don't want to sell Topshop. I have moved on to some different types of brands, y'all, and I'm really happy with what I've been doing lately. This is all twisted up. There we go. This is a tie-dye, really cute top. God, sorry. Jeez Louise. Okay, there we go. So great piece, great colorway, great for the season coming up. That's going to go in there. I don't think that they're going to keep this, because this is called City Triangles. But you know what? I just don't even want to put it in my garage sale, so I'm going to give it to them. And it's a cute dress, but I don't want to keep it, and I don't want to hold on to it for garage sale. Oh, that was in the ThredUp box. This is a Loft. This is a great pair of pants, y'all. These pants have become really, really popular. This is a size small, so I'm hoping, this again came from that box, so it cost me $1.05. This was also from that box. This is Topshop, a great piece. I'm probably only going to get maybe a couple dollars for that, but at least if I get my dollar back, I'm happy with that. These all in this stack here are from that box. So again, I paid $1. Loft shorts. These are great, great shorts for the spring season, spring and summer season coming up. So I don't see any issues with them taking that. And Taylor size 4, another great dress. Again, $1 from that box. So we're going to move that along. These are Alfani. Again, from that box, paid $1.05 for these. My last box, they took all of my Alfani, so I'm really excited. I actually have more Alfani back there. Really excited to move those on. I just do not sell Alfani well at all. Another Topshop piece is a size 6. Really, really cute skirt, so this should be good. Mini skirt for the spring-summer season. This is another Topshop. Again, came from that box. So there's that. Okay, this is American Eagle. This actually came from, I think that American Eagle box that I got from Helpsy Source. I have found that I do not sell American Eagle well. And I don't know why. But this was $3. Cute top. Hopefully I'll at least get my money back on that. I'm fine with that. I don't know why. Some people sell American Eagle really well. But I do sell it, just not really, really well. This is Simply Vera. They do take this. This is a double extra large. It is a leather vest. I'm going to let them have this. This came in that ThredUp 200-pound bulk box. I do not sell Vera at all. It just doesn't move for me. Banana Republic, this has been in my thing for well over a year. It's a great piece. Size small. Great vest piece. It does have like an open back to it, so hopefully, even if I double or just get my money back, that's fine. This also came in that 200-pound box. This is new with tags, extra small, Banana Republic. It's a great, great workwear piece for the gals for spring and summer season, in great condition. This one is, again, Banana Republic, size small, a great cardigan sweater that has some nice detail on it. This came in that ThredUp box. So $1 into that one. Okay, Alfani. Now these are some of the pieces that I actually got from some other purchase that I made. I'm into this one, I think $3. This one is in excellent condition, Alfani size large. So that should do well. I'm hoping to get a few dollars for that. I might even get like $5 or $6 for that because it is a nice top. Okay, American Eagle. These came in one of the ThredUp denim boxes. That I just don't sell jeans well. I do sell jeans, but I want to move these out and focus on some other things. So these I think were $1.35, came in a ThredUp box. Okay, these again, American Eagle. Paid $1 for these, so we're just going to move these on. Okay, Topshop, this one is new with tags, came in a different box. This is a size 6, so we're going to move that on. A great piece for spring, summer season coming up, y'all. Okay, these, I've had these for a while. These are an extra large. Oh, this is a skirt. I don't remember where this came from, but either way, whether it was this box or a different box, I don't remember where that one came from. J. Crew, this came in a box that I got online a while ago, paid like $3 for this, and I just don't want to keep it. J. Crew does well through them, so we're going to move that along. Sir, I do sell J. Crew, but it has to be specific types of pieces that sell well for me. And the ones that I don't want to hold on to, I'm just going to move on. Okay, this is American Eagle, extra small. Cute top, but I'm just going to let them have it and just get back my few dollars. Okay, another great J. Crew piece. This also came in that J. Crew box from Helpsy Source. It's a great spring piece, but again, it just has not been getting a lot of traction, so I'm just going to move that on. Banana Republic, this came in a box from Helpsy Source. I tried selling these on Whatnot also. These are a great pant. They're new with tags, so I should at least get my $3 back on those. Okay, another Alfani. And again, great condition women's work pants. So I should definitely get at least my few dollars back on those. As y'all know, when I'm purchasing items, my COG is always really low. If I pay $5 for a COG on a box, it's unusual. Sometimes I'll pay $5 in my thrift store, but typically when I'm purchasing online, My cog is anywhere from $2.50 to maybe $4. So most of these I should easily at least make that back. Alfani extra large, new with tags. This should go very well too. So there's that. Okay, more J. Crew. This is a size medium. This is a nice button-down shirt. This also came in that J. Crew box, so I'm going to let them have that. And this is a loft. I bought this shirt for $1 at a garage sale last summer. It has had absolutely no interest, even though it's a great workwear piece. So I'm just going to let them have this. I paid $1 for it, so hopefully I should be able to get a few dollars for that. I'm hoping that out of all these items, I should hopefully make about $100. This is what I'm hoping for. If not, at least $80. Maybe more, we'll see. My last box, they didn't take everything, but I still made well over $100 on the box, so I was really happy with that. Ann Taylor, extra small. This is new with tags. This came in a box. I'm just going to move that on. And I just do not sell Ann Taylor. It's been sitting for a while, and I just don't want to mess with it. Okay, American Eagle Outfitters. These are a great size, y'all. But again, I'm just going to move them on. These are 30-32. Oh, these might be men's. You know what? It's fine. I don't care. They can put it in a men's box. I just don't sell jeans that well. Okay, this is another new with tags. This came in a Boutique by the Box box. And so I paid $4 for it. Alfani, excellent condition, new with tags. I'm going to let them have that and at least get my money back. Same with this one. This is a great piece too. It's an extra large, faux leather, new with tags. Hasn't gotten any traction, so I'm going to get my few dollars back on that. This is one that I picked up at the thrift store, super cheap, many months ago, thinking that it will do well. Loft, size 8. It's a cute skirt, great for springtime. I think I paid like $2 or $3 for the silly thing. Gonna move that one on. Loft Ann Taylor, another sweater, size medium, a gorgeous spring color for those cooler days. So that'll move on. Another Ann Taylor. Yes, I picked specific brands and pulled my stuff up to see what I wanted to move on with. And I'll just keep doing that. Another one, size medium, a great top for workwear in great condition. Okay, a few more pieces here, and then I have 2 pairs of shoes that I'm going to send out. I also have a 100% wool men's coat here that I got in a men's box many eons ago. But because it is a wool jacket, we are heading into spring, I'm going to hold on to that until probably summertime. And then because I am going to continue to send some of these boxes in, I'll send that one in at that time because obviously I'm going to get a lot more for it than if I send it in now. Ann Taylor, extra small petite, another great spring piece because it's sleeveless. So I'm going to move that one along. Loft, these are great women's pants, a great size. These are a size 12. Great workwear with the wide leg. I think I paid just a few dollars for those. Again, my cog is so low. I bought this dress last summer, thinking it would do really well because it is, this was J. Crew, right? No, this is Ann Taylor. That's why I didn't do well. It's a beautiful dress, but Ann Taylor just does not move. It's a gorgeous maxi. I think I paid like $4.75 for this in the thrift store. It's a gorgeous piece, but I'm going to let them have it. And that one I hopefully should make a few dollars on. Okay, more American Eagle. These are corduroy. Corduroy is coming in, but because it's American Eagle, it just isn't doing well for me, so I'm going to let them have these. And another pair of American Eagle, again, corduroy that I got in that American Eagle box. I know corduroy is really popular, but for me, it just isn't moving. So, Topshop, this is a gorgeous Topshop sweater that I got in a box. Paid probably $4 for it. It is new with tags, and it's a size medium to large. Great cable piece. So I'm going to let them have that. Okay, and then these are Banana Republic. I've had these from a ThredUp shoe box for eons and forever. These are perfect for the season coming up. So I'm going to let them have those. And then these are, I believe, Loft. These are women's boots. Depending on how heavy this box is, I may hold on to these until summertime and then send them in for the fall. But I will for sure send these in. I am going to weigh this box. If it's around 30 pounds, if not, I'll adjust it. And just put the next ones in the next box. So that is what I'm sending in, y'all, on this box. If there are things that I end up taking out, because I am going to, like I said, I'm going to weigh this to make sure that it does not weigh more than it needs to. Let me here, give me a second. I do actually have my scale up and going right now, so I'm curious to see if this is less than 30 pounds or not. So give me just a second. I actually have a scale where my register is aside from the actual weight deal, so we can determine right now if this is over 30 pounds or not. Okay, yeah, so this is 46. So I'm probably going to have to take a few of these pieces out and go from there, because it is showing that it weighs 44 pounds. So I did put a few too many pieces in here. What I'll do, I'll take the sweater out, because that is more of the winter piece. And I'll take this one out. And I want to leave the corduroys in there, because those are just going to go in the next box anyway, so it probably doesn't really matter. These are heavier, so I'll take those out for now. Let me see. These are heavier, so we'll take those out for now. How are we doing? Okay, we're at 37, so we just need to take out a few more pieces. Let me see here. We'll take these jeans out. Again, these are just going to go in the next box. 34. We'll take these jeans out. I think I'll go ahead and take this Topshop jacket out. That should just about do it. That should bring it down to, okay, so 31 pounds. So we'll take this out. That's a little bit heavier. Okay, 30. So I'm going to take out maybe another piece. We'll take out these heavier jeans, and we'll just put that in the next box. Okay, so I'm close enough. I'm going to take out maybe another piece or two, because I am kind of on the border and I don't want it to go over at the store. Wow, I did pack up a bit more than I thought. And what I'll do is I'll resize this box down. I actually have a resizer for boxes, so I'm going to be cutting this down. It will be a flat top. And that's what I did with my last box. I brought it down in size, and I did it up that way, and they took it. It was great. I think I'm going to take this sweater out, because I am still over just a little bit. Okay, that is now 28 pounds. So I'll put this on the floor and just verify it. But that is that. And then again, these pieces that I pulled out are just going to go in the next box. So I'm hoping... I can't actually walk these down during the week, because we still have snow and I can't get my Mustang out. Dan takes the truck to work. These will probably go out next Saturday, because Dan will take it down when he takes packages down for me on Saturdays. So I might even try to take time to get the other box ready to go for next Saturday, so I can send both of them in at the same time. That would be so awesome. And be able to get them both processed. So again, I hope it helps seeing what I am sending into them. I do have more inventory back there that I am flushing through. Because if I can get money through ThredUp, I'm going to do that. And because I already have so much stuff going out through garage sale. So this is another option for me to pull these things aside. I might even go through some of my other stuff in the garage sale section that I have over in my other room, and see if some of those pieces can actually go into ThredUp, because I have some plus size things in there. And some other stuff in there, so I'll kind of filter through that. Try to take some time this week to do that. It's hard, you know, just to get time to do a lot of these other things, because I'm so busy during the week with the platforms and whatnot. But anyway, I just want to let you know what I'm sending in. I will give you an update on what they take and what I get for this, so please do subscribe if you have not yet done that yet. We do unboxings, which, speaking of which, I have a couple more to do, and updates, and our weekly chat. You guys have been so enjoying y'all's feedback on items and brands and your thoughts on what's going on in the weekly chat. Been getting really, really great feedback from y'all. I so appreciate y'all. I love the interaction, as I've mentioned before. Guys, so do give this video a thumbs up if seeing this stuff going into ThredUp. This is going to be through a partner kit. I'm not just sending it in. It's going through a partner kit. And going to do it that way. Last time it processed within 2 weeks. It took it a week to get there, a week from the process, and I heard back from them in 2 weeks. So I was really, really, really happy with that. Okay, y'all. Have a great one. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.